All right, I think we're live here. Cool. So hey guys, my name is Brad. I am going to record a video on some keyboard shortcuts I find to be useful. Whenever I start using a new program, I try to learn things that are going to make me more efficient with that thing, and I don't like using the mouse pointer as much as I can. So I'm just going to jump right in here. One of my favorite keyboard shortcuts recently has been using the things pinned to your taskbar at the bottom here instead of having shortcuts on the desktop. And you can access these things without the mouse by using Windows and then number. And so these things are numbered in sequential order. So Google Chrome being in the first position, File Explorer in the second, and in this case, SQL Server 2014 Management Studio in the third position. So if I wanted to open that, I would hit Windows 3. And SQL Server opens right up. In conjunction with that, I also, instead of mousing over to the upper right-hand corner of a window and hitting the X button, I like to use Alt F4. I think it makes things a little more rapid, and that closes the window currently in focus. So here it's going to close that prompt to connect to server. And again, if I hit Alt F4, it's going to close the Management Studio itself. I think that's pretty useful just for Windows users in general. And then jumping into SQL Server, enter to connect. I found that moving around the Object Explorer with the arrow keys is pretty quick. You can use right and left mouse, no, I'm sorry, not mouse, arrow keys to expand and close these drop-down menus, which I think is pretty rapid and I think that you'll find is relatively easy to pick up. I use arrows a lot in my job instead of the mouse, so it's pretty natural for me. I don't know how much we're going to be using the Object Explorer and navigating around in it, but I can tell you that new query is Control N. So if I want to start a new query, Control N opens that up. And I think one of the most useful keyboard shortcuts you're going to find is execute. So if I hover over the execute button, instead of mousing up to this thing every time and hitting execute, I can just press F5 on the keyboard and that thing will execute whatever query that I have focused. So hopefully you found this a little informative. Feel free to comment if you have any other keyboard shortcuts you found are really useful. I've been playing around with a bunch more, but I felt like this was just a basic way to get you a little more efficient in your time doing homework for this class or just in your life in general. So thanks for your time, guys. Hope you found it useful, and have a great day.